Signing my life away for an opportunity of a lifetime?
That's right.
Okay. Motion sickness prone me put on a parachute to fly with Lieutenant Colonel John Klatt of the National Guard Reserve. Ready for takeoff. So John, tell me a little bit about yourself. How long have you been doing this? Maybe I should have checked your resume before we took off.
Well, you know what? I've been flying for the Air Guard for the air show airplanes for about 10 years, and I've been a member of the Air National Guard for 23 years. So it's just awesome to have you out, come out and see what it's like to be an air show pilot for a day.
So he spun me around the South Shore, showed me some upside down action.
Ready to roll, John. Ready to roll.
A bit of barrel rolls, and a little loop.
I call it super duper looper, John.
And I suddenly had a boost of bravery.
But no hands.
Then it was time to get this show back on the road.